For lunch, we're gonna have the crackers. I believe this is beef porridge. My guess, this is some kind of beef soup or stew. And we have some sugar packets, and I think we'll skip the tea this time and heat up the main entrees. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's start with this one. You can see the happy little cow. Let's open it up. And yeah, that looks like rice porridge or kasha. It smells really good. Let's see what we have here. And this appears to be stewed beef or tashanka. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna warm this up and we'll be back. There you have the giant slabs of beef and all the fat. Let's get that in the canteen cup. All right, let's heat it up. All right, so I think the tashanka's ready. All right, we'll let that sit for a little while and let's prepare the rice porridge. You can see some of the beef. And there we have the rice porridge. Let's warm it up. And we'll come back to it. All right, so our porridge is ready. Let's get it onto this plate. All right, let's start with the stewed beef. Let's get a nice big chunk. And there we have it, a nice big chunk. All right, let's go for it. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's tashanka. Yeah, it's excellent. Good flavor, good seasoning. The beef is nice and tender. Let's try with the cracker. All right, let's try with the cracker. Oh yeah, look at those chunks of beef. This stuff is great. Wow. All right, let's move over to the porridge. Not sure if this is rice or buckwheat, some kind of grits. All right, let's try it. Just try with the cracker. There you can see a piece of beef. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much Russian kasha, and it's got great flavor to it. Excellent seasoning, just perfect. Can't go wrong with this stuff. Get another bite. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's excellent. You can't go wrong with that. And for dinner, we're gonna have the crackers or biscuits, the beef or rice porridge, apple jam, sugar, and tea. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so we already tried the tea, so we'll skip this. And we know what the apple jam looks and tastes like. Biscuits, we might use them. And the only thing left is this, so let's crack it open. And it just looks exactly like the other porridge. Guess we can try it cold. All right, let's try it. Honestly, I can't spot the differences. This looks and tastes just exactly like the other one. I guess we'll warm it up and see what it looks like. All right, we'll come back when it's done. Alright, let me show you guys what I found in the lunch kasha. Appears to be some kind of rock or a pebble. Just be careful when you buy these Kazakhstan rations, you might find a rock. Alright, I think it's ready. Let me just make sure that we don't find any rocks. And yeah, this one looks clean. So basically, this one looks exactly like the other porridge. Not sure what the differences are. I'm sure it's going to taste just exactly the same. Let's get a bite. I guess the only difference is this one looks more like a rice porridge. All right, let's have a bite. Yeah, it tastes just like kasha. It's got good seasoning, good flavor, just the right amount of salt. Yeah, not much I can say. It's perfect. Alright guys, there you have it, the Kazakhstan military 24-hour ration, and I must say I wasn't very impressed by it. Everything just seems a little bit rushed. The quality is not as good as the Russian. I would say it's a step down from that. The porridge and the stewed beef were excellent. That was the best part of the ration, and the apple jam, but everything else was just very low quality, not much flavor, not much going on. And I want to point out the fact that there was a rock in the lunch porridge. Yeah, just be careful with that. Would I recommend this ration? I would have to say just pass on it and pick up a Russian military ration, and I can guarantee that you'll enjoy it more than this one. So I can't recommend it, and if you really want to try it for yourself, you know, go for it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this ration, and any thoughts, comments, leave them down below. And just want to give a big thanks and shout out to Shocker71. He sent me this a while back and I finally got to review it, so make sure you check out his channel. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.